Geotechnical investigation services are essential for any construction project, especially in a region like Noida Extension. Noida Extension is a fast-growing area with numerous residential and commercial projects underway. Therefore, it becomes crucial to conduct proper geotechnical investigations to ensure the stability and safety of these structures. Geotechnical investigations involve assessing the soil and rock conditions of the site, determining its suitability for construction, and identifying any potential hazards or risks. Scon Design is a leading company that provides geotechnical investigation services in Noida Extension. They have a team of experienced geotechnical engineers who specialize in conducting thorough investigations and providing accurate data and analysis. Their services include soil testing, rock testing, groundwater analysis, slope stability assessment, and foundation design recommendations. By availing Scon Design's geotechnical investigation services, developers and contractors can make informed decisions regarding the design and construction of their projects. Noida Extension is known for its diverse soil conditions, which can vary significantly from one site to another. Therefore, it is crucial to conduct geotechnical investigations to understand the soil properties and assess any potential risks that may affect the stability of the structures. This allows them to determine important parameters such as soil bearing capacity, shear strength, compaction characteristics, and permeability. Based on these findings, they can provide recommendations on foundation design, soil improvement techniques, and other necessary measures to ensure the safety and longevity of the structures. By thoroughly understanding the soil conditions and identifying any geological hazards, developers can take necessary precautions during the design and construction phases. When it comes to planning and building a project in Noida Extension, contour surveyors are crucial. Contour surveying includes both mapping the topography of the area and identifying its innate features, such as hills, valleys, and slopes. By using state-of-the-art equipment and technology, contour surveyors can accurately determine the elevation and slope of the ground. The information is required for architects, engineers, and developers to correctly plan and design the project. One of the essential components of contour surveying is the identification of potential drainage issues. By mapping the contour lines, contour surveyors can determine the natural water flow on the ground. For efficient drainage design and preventing future waterlogging issues, this information is essential. Given the quick urbanization of Noida Extension, it is crucial to properly understand the topography of the property in order to avoid any potential risks or challenges throughout the development process. Another essential duty of contour surveyors in Noida Extension is aiding in Scon Design. The term Scon Design refers to the process of organizing and developing stormwater collection